Fix all 3 helicopters by sunrise or you're fired, the CEO said. He finished by midnight. Then quit. The CEO pointed at 3 grounded helicopters and gave one impossible order. Fix all 3 by sunrise or you're fired. By midnight, every rotor was spinning again. Then the mechanic quietly removed his company badge, placed it on the toolbox, and walked away forever. If you believe kindness, hard work, and second chances can change lives, please take a moment to like this video, leave a comment, share it with someone who needs hope today, and subscribe to Secret CEO Stories for more emotional stories that stay with you long after they end. The mechanic's name was Daniel Brooks, a single father who had spent nearly 18 years keeping the company's helicopters flying safely through storms, medical emergencies, and rescue missions. Everyone in the hangar knew that if Daniel signed off on a helicopter, lives would be safe. Yet, despite his reputation, the company's new CEO only saw numbers on a spreadsheet. She believed every delay was caused by lazy employees instead of impossible circumstances. When 3 helicopters returned with serious mechanical failures after a violent storm, she refused to hear explanations. Instead, she gathered the entire maintenance crew and gave Daniel one impossible deadline. The helicopters had to be ready before sunrise or his career would end. The hangar grew silent after she walked away. Everyone knew the repairs normally required 2 full days with an entire engineering team. Daniel looked at the damaged machines, closed his eyes for a moment, and thought about his young daughter waiting at home. She believed her father could fix anything, even broken hearts. That memory gave him strength. Rather than complain, he rolled up his sleeves and started working. Heel after hour, Daniel crawled beneath engines covered in grease, replaced damaged hydraulic lines, rebuilt rotor assemblies, rewired electrical systems, and carefully inspected every bolt twice. His hands bled from sharp metal edges, but he refused to rush anything that could risk another person's life. Some younger mechanics stayed beside him without being asked, inspired by the quiet example he had set for years. They watched a man who never blamed others, never shouted, and never accepted shortcuts. As midnight approached, the impossible slowly became reality. One helicopter roared back to life, then another. Finally, the 3rd engine started with its familiar, powerful sound, echoing through the hangar. Every mechanic stopped working and stared in disbelief. They had witnessed something extraordinary. The helicopters were not only repaired, they were safer than before. The CEO rushed into the hangar expecting excuses, but instead found 3 perfectly functioning aircraft lined up under the bright lights. For the first time, she realized she had completely underestimated the man standing before her. She congratulated him and announced that he could keep his job. She even hinted at a promotion. But Daniel simply smiled with quiet dignity. He removed his company identification badge, placed it gently on his toolbox, thanked every mechanic who had stood beside him, and handed in his resignation. It wasn't because he was angry. It was because he had finally understood something priceless. A workplace that only values results and never respects people will always break the very people who make success possible. The hangar fell silent again, but this time the silence carried regret. The CEO watched the man she had threatened walk away with his head held high. She finally understood that loyalty cannot be demanded through fear. Respect must be earned through compassion. Before we reach the ending, tell us in the comments. If you were Daniel, would you have accepted the promotion or walked away forever? We'd love to hear your thoughts. Weeks later, Daniel opened a small independent aircraft maintenance company built on one simple promise. Every employee would be treated with dignity before deadlines. Skilled mechanics from his former workplace slowly joined him, not because he paid the highest salaries, but because he offered something money could never buy: respect. His business flourished, while his former company struggled to replace the one man whose value they had only recognized after losing him. If this story touched your heart, please like, share, and subscribe to Secret CEO Stories, and leave a heartfelt comment below. Your support helps these inspiring stories reach more people who still believe that kindness, integrity, and respect can change the world. Sometimes the greatest victory isn't proving someone wrong. It's walking away from those who never appreciated your worth and building a future where no one else has to earn basic respect.